It's April 19th, 2022, and I'm doing a rare plant reference check for Bloomeria clevelandii. The common name for this plant is San Diego goldenstar. It is a CNPS 1B1 rare plant, and it blooms in April and May. So what's unique about this plant is that the filaments are leaning away from the style. So you can see the filaments and how they're leaning away from the style, leaving those dilated bases separated. So I'm just gonna kind of tilt it down so you can see. In Bloomeria crocea, which is a really common bloomeria in San Diego County, these filaments actually form a cup. So they are fused together. They aren't separated like that on the flower. So you will actually see the filaments forming a cup. So really different. And that is a split in the Jepson key when you're looking at this plant. Only Bloomeria clevelandii, this rare plant, has those separated filaments that are leaning away from the style. Okay, so as far as the habitat, you can see this plant occurs in grassland and coastal sage scrub. Like here, I have a lot of grassland and I have a lot of coastal sage scrub. It's patchy here, but you can also find it in wetlands, non-wetlands, edges of vernal pools, chaparral, so in a variety of different habitats. And this plant too is in the Themidaceae family. So we'll look at some more here. So this Bloomeria clevelandii is kind of everywhere in this grassland, blooming. The San Diego goldenstar. And it's a little early in the season because you can see it's not in full bloom. Some of the plants only have like one flower blooming. Here you can see one flower. Others have a few more. But it's kind of everywhere in this grassland. This grass that I have here is called Brachypodium Destacchion. It's a weed that's really invading San Diego County. It's called false brome, and that's one of the dominant grasses here. There's also a lot of Bromus hordeaceus right here, soft chess in this grassland here where I am working. Right in front of me is some Rhamnus crocea. There's a lot of Acme sponglaber too. So this is Acme sponglaber or Deerweed. And there's a bunch of Bloomeria clevelandii here. So I'll just walk on this path and show you a couple more so you can see the habitat. Again, it's patchy CSS here where I'm at with a lot of grassland. Here's a lot of Bromus diandrus or rip your gut brome. There is some native grass here too. Stipe pulchra is native. So here is another one. You can see a bunch of them are blooming here. More Bloomeria clevelandii. There's one with just one flower. There's a lot here in this grassland. So that's Bloomeria clevelandii.